Hey guys, it's Deandra and I'm back with another video. So this is actually going to be my very first unboxing video, which is exciting. I've received products from different companies maybe like 3 times so far, but this is for sure the biggest brand that I've received products from. And if you looked at the title of this video, then you know that the brand is Uncle Funky's Daughter. And I've actually never tried any products from this brand, but I've seen them in different stores. So I'm really excited. I don't even know what they sent me, to be honest. Like, I just know they sent me some products. So we're gonna see what's inside of here. So this is the box. And it's a pretty big box. So we're gonna see what all is in here. Alright. So, first of all, I see this. This is the Ultimate Kinky and Curly Travel Kit. And it looks like it comes with 5 different products. It comes with the Midnight Train Leave-In Conditioner, the Super Curl Miracle Moisture Cream, the Extra Butter Curl Forming Cream, the Curly Magic Curl Stimulator, and the Thirsty Curls Leave-In Curl Revitalizer. So that's exciting. Let's see what else is in here. Okay. Alright, so the other thing that came in the box is this box. It's pretty cute. So let's see what's inside of here. Alright, so I'm just going to show y'all. So it comes with 3 products. So I have the Curly Magic Curl Stimulator, the Super Curl Miracle Moisture Cream, and the Heal and Renew Intensive Hair Mask. And that's everything that came in the box. I'm gonna just open up the travel kit so we can look at those sizes. So this is the same as this, it's just the travel size. It's the Super Curl Miracle Moisture Cream. And then we have the Curl Stimulator. So it's the same thing as this, just in the smaller size. And then we have this Leave-In Curl Revitalizer. We don't have this at all, so that's cool. And then the Extra Butter Curl Forming Cream. And then the Midnight Train Leave-In Conditioner. Alright, so now I'm just going to read the back of this little paper that came with the travel kit. It says, "Hello funky people. While it may be true that curly girls have more fun, with more fun comes more frizz. Uncle Funky's Daughter was born as the frizz fighter for curl friends around the world. Long before green was the new black, eco was friendly, and it was cool to reuse, our products were designed as vegan-friendly, sustainable, all-natural hair care products to serve the blossoming curly hair market. Paraben, sulfate, mineral oil, and overall junk-free, the Uncle Funky's Daughter product line includes cleansers, conditioners, moisturizers, curl definers, and stylers using renewable plant resources of aloe, coconut, and olive as bases. We recognize that not every curl is the same, so we design systems that define and moisturize your curls based on curl pattern density and porosity. Our funky junkies love how our products keep their curls healthy and moisturized without the buildup. If you are looking to revitalize your curl power or simply make them funky, try our products today. Forever Funky, Renee Morris, Chief Curl Officer. So that's really sweet and cute. So along with that, it also came with this little piece that tells you about what all your products have and what ingredients they come with in the travel kit. And on the back, it actually gives you like step-by-step guides of how to use each product. So I'll definitely be using that whenever I try these products out. So overall, I'm really excited to use these products. I can't wait to try them. I'm really hoping that I love them. I'm sure that I will because I've heard really good things about this line. So make sure that you stay tuned for my next video when I'm actually using and reviewing these products. That should be up very soon as well. So thanks so much for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video.